Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device, plug it in and make sure battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. Enable USB debugging in developer options so the computer can communicate with the phone. Once connected, select File Transfer or ADB mode on the device. This allows access to internal storage. Next, open your chosen recovery tool on the computer or the recovery app on the phone. Start the transfer session now, because that handshake unlocks file access for the next steps. You run a deep scan. Let the tool index internal storage, the SD card, and app-specific folders. This can take several minutes. As results appear, preview recoverable items and mark high-priority files, like photos, documents, and messages, before bulk restoring. Use filters for file type, date range, and size to narrow choices and save time. Once selections are ready, choose a safe destination on your computer or external drive. Make sure to avoid restoring back to the same corrupted partition to prevent overwrites. You export selected files to a computer or external drive. Do not restore to the original storage to avoid overwriting recoverable data. After transfer, verify integrity by opening a sample from each file type, images, videos, documents, to confirm successful recovery. Once verified, copy files back to the phone selectively and re-enable normal settings. If something goes wrong, try a different USB port or cable, update drivers, and run another scan. If files still miss, consider a deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.